Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to get all 4 of the Lunaris Effigies, which allow your orbs, your spheres, when you throw them at different pals, to become a homing sphere, where they get tracking as if you had a Lunaris in your party. So, the first one that we're going to go after is over here inside of the desert. It's just to the north of Mr. Anubis here on this little island. And then after that, number 2 is down here by the Elphidron boss. There's a little spire like right here that goes super tall in the air. That's where the second one is. And then the third one is over here next to this boss. And there's like a little statue of a horse right here that you can go grab. It's literally just below that, in like between its legs. And then the last one is over here in this giant purple volcanic cleft through the earth at the northern end. So to start out with, we're going to pop over here to the desert, and I'm going to show you where to go grab this one. So once you're over here at the desert, there's literally just 2 islands. There's one over towards the east, and then there's one towards the north. Just go to the one towards the north. And then the little Lunaris Effigy statuette is literally sitting right here. Kind of out in the open, easy to spot. And you can just grab that right here. And the coordinates for this bad boy are -146, -48. Just go snag that. And then the next one we're going to go after is going to be, again, down over here by Elphidron, the boss. And it's kind of off over here on this little spire. Alright, so once we're over here by the Elphidron boss, you want to go up to the point of this rock formation directly above them. So like right here. And then as we go up to the very tip top, it kind of overlooks the tower, the boss, and the red area. You'll want to go up here, and here you can grab this effigy. The effigy coordinates are 59, -292, for those who are curious. I'll grab that. And then the next one that we're going to go after is going to be up here in the snow, well, not the snow area, but the top of this little mini mountain. There's a little boss arena over here, and we're going to go to the horse statue right next to this crater. Alright, so we're up here by this crater. And on the opposite side of this like crater lake in the middle of this mountaintop area, like I mentioned, is this horse statue. You can build this back at your base, and underneath of it you will find the next Lunaris Effigy. Go ahead and grab that one. And then I guess while you're here, you could also fight the boss if you haven't fought them already. For some reason, when I came here before preparing for this tutorial, it didn't mark that down. Oh, and before I forget, the coordinates for this particular effigy are 245 and 75. Then the last one that we're going to go for, number 4, is going to be over here in the north part of this little trench. That is literally just right next door to where we are right now. So here on the north end of this little lava scar on the map, you see right here, you'll see that Lunaris is just chilling out, kind of up against a rock, next to one of these little lava pools, so watch your steps so you don't fall in and burn yourself to death. And you can just grab that, and the last little coordinate for this one is 45204. And then that is all of the Lunaris statues. Now you can head home and find your statue of power. Alright, so once you're back at base, you can go find your statue of power. It's the one that looks like Anubis holding a blue flame. And what we're looking for is the homing ability of our spheres. So that's going to be sphere tracking. That takes the effigies of Lunaris. There's 4 of them. And then you can get 100% sphere tracking now, and you no longer need to have a Lunaris in your party in order to get the same effect. So I'm going to hit enhance, and now all of my spheres track like they are a homing missile going after a heat signature. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's where you find all of the Lunaris Effigies inside of Palworld 1.0. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.